Intro. Hook. Ever tried to buy crypto on Kraken, only to find your debit card getting rejected? It's a frustrating experience, right? Context. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into whether Kraken actually accepts debit cards. We'll explore the reasons behind potential rejections, discuss alternative payment methods, and provide you with some tips to ensure a smooth buying experience. Section 1. The short answer. Direct answer: no, Kraken doesn't directly accept debit cards. Explanation: while this might seem disappointing, there's a reason behind this. Debit cards are often linked to your bank account, which can introduce security risks when dealing with cryptocurrency transactions. Section 2. Why doesn't Kraken accept debit cards? Security concerns. Explain how debit cards can be susceptible to fraud and chargebacks, posing a risk to both Kraken and its users. Regulatory compliance. Discuss how Kraken might need to comply with specific regulations that restrict the use of debit cards for cryptocurrency transactions. Section 3. Alternative payment methods. Credit cards. Highlight the fact that Kraken generally accepts credit cards, but emphasize the potential risks and fees associated with using them. Bank transfers. Explain how bank transfers are a common method for funding Kraken accounts, but note the potential delays and fees involved. Crypto-to-crypto transfers. Discuss the option of transferring cryptocurrencies from other exchanges or wallets to Kraken, which can often be the most cost-effective method. Section 4. Tips for a smooth buying experience. Verify your account. Emphasize the importance of completing the verification process on Kraken to avoid restrictions on payment methods. Check transaction limits. Discuss how Kraken might have limits on the amount you can deposit or withdraw using certain payment methods. Be aware of fees. Explain that different payment methods may have associated fees, so it's important to factor these into your calculations. Consider using a third-party service. Mention that some third-party services can facilitate the purchase of cryptocurrencies with debit cards, but advise caution and research to avoid scams. Section 5. Conclusion. Recap. Summarize the key points discussed in the video, reinforcing that Kraken doesn't directly accept debit cards due to security and regulatory concerns. Call to action. Encourage viewers to explore the alternative payment methods and tips provided in the video to ensure a smooth and secure experience when buying crypto on Kraken. Ending. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.